How to add halation effect in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and make sure you are in the Color tab. Select the clip, then right-click in the node editor and select Add Node and then Add Serial Node to create a new node. This will give you clean workspace to work with. Now, to add a halation effect, we need to use the built-in halation effect found in the OpenFX panel. To start, click on the OpenFX tab on the top right of the interface. Once you are there, type halation in the search bar to quickly locate the effect. Drag and drop the halation effect onto your node tray. Next, you will see the halation settings appear on the right. The most important settings to adjust here is the threshold. This determines which parts of your image will be affected by the halation effect. Lower the threshold to make more areas glow or increase it to keep the effect focused on the brighter parts of the image. You can also adjust the normalization, saturation level and other settings to fine-tune the effect. Once you are happy with the look, you can go back to the Edit tab and play the video. And that's it. Now you know how to add the halation effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.